Goodness gracious, how did you get the thing so shiny, man? I'm shocked. I don't feel like this is mine.
This car was absolutely covered in leaves, dust and dirt. But wait for the owner's reaction to seeing the car once I've completed detailing it. Sit back, relax and enjoy. First off, I will pressure wash the entire car to get rid of any of that top layer of dirt. Next, I'll move on to the wheels, starting with a snow foam. I'll then get my brush to go in between the mag spokes, do the outside of the mag, as well as a brush for the wall of the tire. Now I'll apply the snow foam to the entire car and let it sit for a little bit. Once I've allowed that snow foam to sit on the vehicle for a little bit, I will now rinse the whole vehicle. While I was rinsing, I noticed a bunch of leaves, dirt and muck had been caught behind the windscreen wipers, so I made sure to clean that all out and rinse deeply inside of there. I got quite excited when I saw all that dirt being removed. Moving on to now washing the vehicle with the shampoo as well as the sponge. I will then rinse the vehicle for the last time and then dry it with a chamois as well as do the tires. After some long, hard work, we have finished. This car is looking immaculate now. The owner's on the way. We're about to get his reaction to what this car looks like now. He's just arrived. He's walking right this way now.
Is this my car?
That's your car.
Oh my word. I mean, this looks better than when I bought the thing. Goodness gracious, how did you get the thing so shiny, man? No, 10 out of 10. I don't see a spot. The tires look brand new. Yeah, looks absolutely incredible.
Good to hear. Thank you for bringing it.
And I feel like I enjoy my car so much more when it's clean, when it's looking good. Flip, this is a beautiful car. I'm shocked. I don't feel like this is mine. Yo. Beautiful. Thank you, Jade.
Thank you once again.
We'll do the interior next time as well.
You know it.